Well, I got some sleep. I'm still looking pretty tired. So I just wanted to actually just make this video because I know my stuff's being blocked now. There's no way it's not. And it's not, there's no way it's not happening from Buddy over here. And if you were getting your lawyer to put in claims to get my video views held, you're funny and you're dumb. Because I don't need the money. I'll let a lawyer deal with it, and then they can have all of it that you have to give. I don't need it. They can take it. It's just the fact that it'll come out of your pocket into theirs, which I'd much rather see it in a lawyer's pocket than yours. So, this is Loki's foot. He may have actually got cut on that glass when he did jump on it. There's this small cut. I'm not 100% sure that it is, but it's just, he doesn't magically have cuts on his feet every day, and he never does. That was the first time I've ever seen his feet cut. And it was, oddly enough, right after he jumped on the glass, but he didn't start gushing blood. So me or the female that I had here with me did not notice my dog bleeding. We thought he was fine. He was still wagging his tail. He was still happy. So I didn't really check him over well enough right after that. But I will show you. Let's look at, there's another one. There's another one of Loki's foot. But it wasn't gushing blood, which is so odd, because you can see it is a cut. And that's right after, like a day or two after freaking, this happened, like where he jumped on the glass. But this is Thor's foot, where he actually slit his foot open. Look at that. A big old gash, buddy, from a piece of glass. You see that, you nosy little guy that wants to tell me all this disrespectful stuff that sits here watching my YouTube videos, because you clearly are the one who needs something better to do, but you want to say that it's me. But I'm just trying to stick up for myself. You're here harassing people for no reason. There's another one. You want to see that? You want to see the better one on the front porch? The exact moment that I caught this happening was when I noticed it, because I brought Thor inside. After taking him out front onto my driveway, he cut his foot. I didn't notice because Thor didn't make any noise. He comes back inside, but this is on the front porch. The cops were here that day. I took this picture while the cops were sitting out front and whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know where I was headed with that. Sorry for burning the meatballs, but yeah. I don't know. I just wanted to say it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous that the guy thinks he can use his money to get him places. It's like, buddy, I don't care. Your money isn't going to help you unless you start building some really high fences. But I'm just going to be shut up. Seriously.